Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Slimline Hourglass die set. This die set is awesome. You could do so many things with it. It's not just for Halloween. I'm thinking birthdays or anything that has to do with time. It's a 7-piece die set and you get the hourglass, the sand, the side pillars, and the top and the bottom of the hourglass. I'm going to die cut the pieces and quickly show you one way the hourglass can go together, but there are many ways you can use it. When you cut out the hourglass, you're left with the frame. You can use this to make a shaker card with it or frame it over a piece of cardstock like this. You just put the sand inside like this, and the long one goes on top to make it look like the sand is falling, and the smaller one goes at the bottom. This is the top of the frame, and you put the other one at the bottom. Then you take the spindles and you put one on each side, and they slide right underneath the top and the bottom pieces. There are two different spindles. One is more decorative than the other one, so it's a matter of what you want it to look like, if you want more decorative or not. You can use the piece that has the wood grain embossed on it for the top and the bottom, and that's pretty much it. It's very easy to put together, as you can see. I did make one card to share with you. I made the Slimline Hourglass die into a shaker card with some eyeballs and sand at the bottom of it, and I paired it up with the Eek word die. And then I used the spiders and webs die, which is really cool. And I used the bats from the haunted graveyard. And that will complete my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.